Hello. So, got a storm here. And it might just form. So, if it is going to form, minus the islands and all this, because, well, that ain't going to form over land. But, anyway, it's going to form in this area. If it does form. So, let me keep on forgetting this, because also I done a video, I forgot how much this stuff works. Now, if you look over here, you'll see something. Tropical depression and tropical storm. So, if we take a look at the forecast cones. Now, remember Barbara? It dissipated before going to Hawaii. But we might not get lucky this time. Even though it says a tropical storm right here, even though it's put on the line, even though its track goes like that, it's big like this for a reason. Because it could go anywhere within this. It could even, not really, but it could like even go like this. This is just the forecasted path. But still, since that's uncertain, this is the forecast cone of where it could affect. Now, if this has a big wind field, as you can see right now, it's teeny weeny beeny. But it could get as big as this. And as you can see, it's almost as big as the cone over here itself. So it doesn't have to have a big cone to do a lot of damage. Just that right there, if it passes over the right area, it could be a lot of damage. But Hawaii over here may not be affected, but if it does become a big rain threat, it may kind of be like Erie. So, over here, let's look at the tropical depression. As you can see, it's going to become a hurricane. Still no threat to land, but let me get to the whole, thing, and I'll, show you some, predictions. So, let me there we go. So, go back to the, there we go. So, it should go like this. Follow Eric, that's how you pronounce it. And go this way too. Most storms these years. They don't really turn to land until late in the season, I believe. And if we go to the Central Pacific, there shouldn't be anything. But, I don't know. Yep, nothing. I bet you just heard that. So it should go this way. Dodge the islands. And who knows, if it stays strong long enough and manages to go through, it may even cross the date line and go to the West Pacific and become Typhoon Eric. But that may not happen, but You never know. So this is the end of the update. I'll do another update probably either tomorrow or sometime today.